Okay, what's up YouTube? This is Bear from DevShock, and I'm just gonna show off some stuff that I did last night. Let's see. We're gonna do the map editor first. Okay, so here's the map editor, and I added X and Y coordinates, so you know where you're going. It scrolls and everything. Here's the tile type. You can scroll through these. And the tab, which for some reason is not working correctly. Oh, it's because I'm scrolling. Okay, well I'm gonna have to fix that. But you can see it displays all the tiles. Okay, so there's the map editor. You know, you can place stuff just by clicking, and it it tells you what you're doing, whatever. Okay, so we're gonna press crap. We're gonna press space here, and here's the map. We're gonna copy that, and we are going to put that in the engine. And there you go. So as you can see, we got jumping to work. All the collision is working. Although he does go up little slopes like that. It's sort of a bug, but I decided to keep it because it looks like he's going up steps. So I thought if we had steps, it'd be sort of cool. You could just sort of walk up it. I don't know. Let me know your input on that. Just leave a comment or something. The black particles, that's just a test. We can do individual pixels, so we can just have as many pixel particles you want, stuff like that, or we can display animated images, just like a sprite as the particles. So yeah, we have the game here going. Artsy has a lot on his plate right now. He's doing the roll animation. He has to do the background for the first level. He has to do the tiles for the first level. Pretty much everything I've been doing is just now allowing him to get all the art done. And he hasn't really been. I've been working on this engine for a while, and I've actually been working on it since our second game. I did a Pac-Man game. On my free time, just like, it was like a night thing. I just went to do a Pac-Man game, and I made pretty much the rough just outline of an engine that night, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I just kept with it, and that's pretty much what we have here. We have I've added a lot since then. I've completely simplified a lot of things, and I've done a lot of I know with the tiles, it's not like I'm saying like each tile has a number and each number corresponds to a constant integer, which I named something like this has to be the dirt tile, or this has to be the grass tile. Although that's good when you're doing certain things, but when you want to put in like right now I only have 3 tiles. Suppose you want a game with 60 tiles, and the artist gets in 60 tiles, and you got to go through and make and output each one, and it's just so many lines of code and so much time wasted. Whereas how we're doing it now, it just automatically goes through everything, looks at what the tile type is, and then outputs it, by multiplying its, clipping path and stuff like that. So in some ways it's less efficient. It's more vague, but in the long run, the way we have stuff set up is way better than what we had in Le Rouge. And also I have solid tiles are easy to declare now. So solid tiles are all done by themselves. and the output of tiles are done by themselves. So a lot of stuff is it's really coming along, and yeah, I'm just waiting for the art to come in, and as soon as we get that in, we can start making the first level, get some items, some enemies in, and yeah. So we already have the story and the storyline and everything, and we've been thinking about this game since the summer, really, and we were gonna do it in Flash at first. I tried to do it in Flash, and I'm not what you call the best Flash action scripter in the world, so I guess we decided to do it in C++. I wasn't really as good as C++ back then, but or rather I should say graphical C++. It's a whole different matter. Yeah, so leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you really want to, and I guess check our Facebook or Tumblr. I'm doing all this advertising, so yeah, see ya.